Hi everyone, welcome back to Blue Collar Homestead. Today we're going to make our version of the KFC famous bowl. We call it something else in this house, it's a joke, but anyways, we're going to do our homemade version of it. So we have our homegrown chicken. I have it cut up into, cubes, like little tiny nuggets. I have it sitting in flour right now so it can absorb all the moisture. And then in the instant, let me explain what this is from the beginning. Obviously KFC chicken, but the famous bowl, if you don't know, it's basically just a bowl of mashed potatoes topped with like popcorn chicken, brown gravy, and cheese, and then they also put corn in it, but I don't really care for the corn. So we're making our own version of it, and I'll get into the details of it. So in the Instant Pot, I have the chopped up potatoes ready to go, so I can turn them into mashed potatoes. And then Tim is going to help me bread the chicken, and we actually found that the cornflakes, the ground up cornflakes, like I ground them up in like the processor, it actually gives a nice crunch to the bowl, and you really doesn't taste like cornflakes. So so let me get everything going, and then what?
I almost dropped the camera.
Let me get everything going. I gotta finish prepping, and then we'll come back and show you how we do it.
Last whisk here.
It's important to watch someone beat the eggs.
It sure is. It's all in the details.
Apparently. Forget it now.
Forget it, what?
I don't even remember what I was going to say now. I was rudely interrupted.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're going to turn that down. I think it's too hot.
A little too much warm?
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
So hopefully the first couple don't burn.
All right.
Why did I do that?
I don't know. Why did you do that?
I don't know. I'm not thinking clearly. Okay, so I have the potatoes going in the Instant Pot. So I put it on the manual setting, and it says for 10 minutes, but I like to live dangerously, and I did it for 12.
Oh boy.
It's very important. So I got those going, and I did them for the first time the last time we made this dish, and it was a lot faster than boiling under water. So, alright.
What you got going on there?
Giving them their egg bath.
Aha.
And then I just drop a bunch and then go from there.
Gotta stir them up. It'd be good to make chicken nuggets like this too.
Yeah, we haven't tried the cornflake thing with the air fryer, but I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna have to try this with the air fryer later, because it definitely would be a little healthier without all the grease. But
yeah. But I like the crunch that this gives.
yeah, the crunch is pretty good.
And I know we're like late to the party with the whole cornflake thing, but we don't really eat a lot of fried chicken, so.
No, we don't eat a whole lot of fried anything.
No, we do. Like, I like my fried green tomatoes.
Yeah, but it's not like we have that a lot. That's only in the summer.
And my okra.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan.
Oh, I love my okra.
I just don't like okra. It's not my thing.
I love my okra.
I don't know. It's just weird to me. I don't like it.
See, now I don't think it's hot enough.
No, they're still frying those. I mean, I guess that's alright.
Yeah, I had it up too high last time.
Oh, you still got a few nuggets in there.
Yeah. Tim hates when I put them in all like out of order.
Yeah, I have an OCD thing with like things going in a certain pattern.
You wanted me to put them in rows.
Yes, you just kind of chucked them all in one corner. So what are you doing?
I thought it was funny. I have my OCDs too, so. Yeah, those actually.
Cooking up fairly well.
Yes. Very nice. Oh, not that one. Too early. That's a good temperature.
Yeah, just make sure those are done all the way on the inside.
Yeah.
That's all. Yeah, it's like a chicken nugget. Alright.
I get weird with my meat too. Like I have to, even though these are small and I pull them out, I'm still gonna check them with the meat thermometer.
Well, especially poultry or pork.
Yeah, I just don't really want to get.
Food
sick,
poisoning?
so,
Yeah, it's not for
yeah.
me either. I'm not a big
I'm
fan.
not feeling it.
No, not really. So, I mean, you kind of get what's going on with the chicken nuggets there.
Yeah, we'll finish this up, and then once we put everything together, then we'll bring you back for it.
Yeah, you can kind of see how it all goes together.
Yeah, if you're not familiar with the famous bowl.
Alright, so we'll be right back. Mashing the taters. Everything's just about ready. Got our gravy in there. Chicken nuggets. Just waiting on that right there. Waiting on the taters. You done with the taters?
The only thing I didn't get to try today was to make some yeast rolls.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's always tomorrow.
I know, but I wanted to get that done today, but they gotta wait for that. But that's okay. Because, you know, KFC biscuits are really good.
Yeah, we tried to go to KFC the other day and they were closed because they had no employees.
But they had an employee telling us that there was no employees.
Yeah, that was goofy. We get to the drive-thru, they say we're closed. What happened? So, oh, we don't have enough employees to run the place. It's only like 2 of us. Okay, that's kind of odd.
I wouldn't be telling people that.
Tell people what?
There's only 2 of us here. You know
Well,
what
yeah,
I mean?
that's kind of, yeah, that's probably not the right
I
thing
feel
for
like
them to do, but
that's a safety situation.
still, I mean, why would you even bother, like, telling everybody you're closed at the we're at the drive-thru. They should have just put a big-ass sign up there that said we're closed, you know?
Big ass.
Yeah.
Alright, so. Is the gravy done?
Yes, the gravy is
Oh,
good.
beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Go ahead and make your bowl. I'll
Okay.
your famous
Stop
bowl.
rushing me.
I'm not Russian. I'm American.
Okay. So, this is what you do here.
This is how Trent does it.
This is how I do it. No corn.
Put some of that slop in the bowl.
Yeah. And then, I'm hungry, so don't judge. Alright. And then, oh hey,
The spoon's right there.
let's get rid of this guy.
Okay, fine. Get rid of that guy.
Alright. Well, maybe I should put the cheese in first.
Well, I usually put the chicken, the cheese, everything, and then throw that
Yeah,
gravy on
right.
top of all of it.
Alright, so I do Colby Jack.
Uh-huh.
That's probably too much. My hands are clean, sorry. And I'm going to be complicated, Tim, and I'm going to cut some of these in half because they're big. My eyes are burning.
Yeah, it happens to me once in a while, too. It's normal.
Ugh, I'm trying to go fast. But, you know, Tim's rushing me, so.
Why do you always say I'm rushing you?
Because you are.
Weirdo.
Even Paige says the same thing. Oh no. Okay. So then, put that on like so. And there's our famous bowl. And it's so good.
It's like KFC. Now you gotta try it.
It's better than KFC. Alright.
Alright, let's see what you got there, Mama.
Cheesy.
Cheesy?
It's gonna be
All right.
super hot.
Well, I'll give it a try.
Mm-hmm.
It's good?
Better than the last time we made it.
Really? Well, that's cool. Well, we got the news on in the background. Hopefully that doesn't get picked up on all this. But
Yeah, I don't want to get
whatever.
copyrighted.
Yeah, we forgot to shut that off.
Anyways, that's our famous bowl. And Tim's probably hungry, so he's getting ready to make his bowl.
Yep.
Try it at home. Let us know if you like it. Like, comment, share, and ring that notification bell.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
We'll catch you later.
Thanks.